In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to effortlessly make edits to your WordPress site using Elementor, an incredibly versatile page builder that is popular for its ease of use. By the end of this tutorial, you'll have the confidence to make changes to your site quickly and efficiently. So, let's dive right in. First, we'll start by opening the Elementor editor, which is your gateway to crafting beautiful page layouts. To do this, head over to your WordPress dashboard. Take a moment to familiarize yourself with the interface if you're not already familiar. In your dashboard, look for the sidebar. This is where you'll find pages or posts, depending on what you wish to edit. Once you've decided whether you're working on a page or a post, find the specific item you want to edit and click on it. You should see an option that says Edit with Elementor. Simply click on it, and the Elementor editor will open up, allowing you to start making exciting design changes. Now that you have the Elementor editor open, it's time to make your changes. Whether you want to add a new widget, rearrange a section, or modify any text or image, Elementor makes it incredibly intuitive. Simply navigate to the element you want to adjust and click to select it. You'll see a left-hand panel pop up with all the configuration options for that element. Modify the settings according to your preference, and you'll notice that Elementor applies your changes instantly. It's a real-time editor, so you can see exactly how your page will look to visitors as you make adjustments. Feel free to experiment with different looks and styles. The possibilities are quite endless when you're using such a flexible tool. But what happens if you make a change and then decide you'd like to reverse it? Don't worry, you can undo your last change effortlessly. For Windows users, simply press Ctrl and Z together, and for those on a Mac, press CMD and Z. This quick keyboard shortcut will revert the last modification you made, allowing you to seamlessly try different edits and quickly correct any missteps without any hassle. As you follow these steps, remember that practice makes perfect. The more you familiarize yourself with Elementor, the more natural it will feel to unleash your creativity and enhance your website's design. Don't be afraid to explore and experiment within the Elementor editor. It's a powerful tool that empowers you to bring your vision to life with ease. Thanks for joining me today, and I hope you found this walkthrough helpful. If you did, make sure to stay tuned for our future videos where we'll dive deeper into other exciting features of Elementor. Good luck and happy editing!